this is me, Percival 10 Unboxing, and today we're going to, I guess, unbag this 4-port USB charging adapter, or I don't know what you call this in your country, but yeah, basically it's a port charging brick for your USB devices. So there you go. Now let's open the packaging itself, and wow, the makeshift packaging, guys, pretty neat. And there's nothing else inside of the packaging right there. Now let's just pop some bubbles, and now here's the USB brick. So I chose two colors, black and white. Yeah, basically it looks aesthetically pleasing to my eyes, and because I got like color coordinate it with other cables, so it will be like, I don't know, a nice setup. When you look at it, it will be aesthetically pleasing. So now let's open the packaging right now. Gonna yank it out and whatnot. There you go. So wow, it seems kinda tight, guys. And I guess there you go. So now the white one is already out. Now let's get the black one. Come on, oh come on. There you go. Nothing else inside of it. Now let's put that thing aside. And now here it is. So it has this plastic kind of thing surrounding it, so I guess protect it from scratches and whatnot. But of course we're going to remove it, because why not? There you go. Now some satisfying ASMR of it. There you go. Wow, satisfying ASMR, guys. Now let's remove the other one. Where's the end tab of it? There you go. Oh, I can't find it. Oh, where is the end tab? Found it. I'm just gonna rip it apart, because why not? And viola, I guess. Viola. There you go. Now I've successfully removed the plastic wrap. Now let's throw it in the trash, because we don't need trash. There you go. So now throw everything inside this baggie. Save the earth. And yeah, so now basically there's some plastic on it. Just remove the remaining parts, and that's it, guys. Now here is the the brick charger. As you can see, it has nice colors: red, green, blue, orange. Oh, so aesthetically pleasing to my eyeballs, man. So aesthetically pleasing, as you can see. So the orange, all of them are as 3.18 amps. As you can see in the front, it says quick charge 3.0. The bottom, and the sides, it says trouble charger. So the model is HCJ-430, 450, or 430, I don't know. So the other adapter is the same. Yeah, so yeah, basically that's it. It's just the same thing, different colors. It only comes in two colors, black and white. You know, pretty neat. I like it a lot. So I guess for the weight of it is pretty light, not too heavy, and it doesn't seem like it is hollow inside. It seems fairly built. It seems like it will last more than a year. I hope so. Yeah, but the one thing that I like is the different colors of the USB ports. As you can see, the orange, blue, green, red. So cool. I like so nice colors, man. I like them colors. Yeah, pretty neat. So now I guess I'm gonna test this out on my USB devices and whatnot. And now I guess, what else? Did I forget something about saying about this device before testing it? I guess I have nothing else to say apart from, yeah, it's very nice product. I guess now let's go on to the next part, the testing part of this video. And now here it is. So now I'm basically charging my DIY power bank. As you can see, it is connected, and as you can see, there is this indicator, LED blue light indicating that it's pulling power. As you can see, it has an indicator to tell you that if the socket you're plugging in has power and whatnot. So yeah guys, that's basically it for my review, unboxing, and test. Comment down below any questions you have on this product. Like this video, subscribe, and goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.